Hello beautiful people, hope you all doing fine. Today we will make glitch art painting. For this we require black chart paper, white chart paper, one printed or hand drawn design, cutter, glue, brush, colors. First I tried painting on this paper with poster colors but they were not visible. If it was acrylic color they would have been visible. So I will paint on the white chart paper and stick them on the black chart paper. So here I got my printed design. You can even have your own hand drawn design. To make glitch art, we need 3 layers of this design. For this, I will use my power of editing and with a snap of finger, it will make 3 layers. You can do this by using tracing paper. Now we need to transfer this design on our white paper. You can do that by using carbon paper or any other known technique, but since I have Thanos power, I will do it with a snap of finger. There we go, our design is transferred on white sheet. So now let's paint our drawing. For painting I am using 6 colors: red, green, blue, cyan, magenta and yellow. Consider the 3 layers of design as red, blue and green colors. Wherever red and green overlap, we will paint yellow. Green and blue overlap, we will paint cyan. Blue and red overlap, we will paint magenta, and wherever all 3 of these colors will overlap, we will keep white. So let's start painting. Next yellow wherever red and green overlapping. I did the design part using Photoshop. Let me know if you want tutorial of that. Our painting is done, so now we will cut the design using cutter or X-Acto knife. Like this we will cut other parts also. Next align these cutout parts and stick them on black chart paper. That's it, our glitch art is ready. Do let me know if you have any suggestions for me. If you found this video interesting, then hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. Be creative and keep creating. And I will see you next time with something new. Peace.